All right, welcome back, everybody. Time now for Great Day Law. Have you ever been hurt in an accident and still had to pay, even though you felt that you shouldn't have done anything, shouldn't have paid, and you haven't done anything wrong?
Yeah. Well, Lawyer Twillie is here to explain with LA Law how it works. Now, welcome. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So does it matter whose fault it is?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
100%, right?
100%.
But so should you not pay if it's someone else's fault?
No, listen, insurance companies are businesses. So a lot of times what we'll find, and we just had this happen very recently, where we had a client that was coming down Farmington Avenue in Hartford.
Let's read the email. I was hurt in an accident driving down Farmington Avenue in Hartford when a car came out of a side street and hit me. Yep. The insurance company claims that I am 25% at fault for supposedly speeding.
Yeah.
But I didn't have stop sign or anything, and the other car did. Is there something I can do?
Right. Right.
How can you be 25% at fault?
They just pull these numbers out of thin air.
That's a very good point.
Right. 25.
That's like I'm going to argue with my
23?
kids. Like,
I've heard of no fault, not 25%
just
fault.
picture your kids like, Mom, he was 50% at fault and I'm 10%.
Exactly.
Right. No, I mean, listen, the insurance companies are bullies, right? And they'll do this to people that don't have representation. And a lot of times people will just take it. Because what's the alternative? What are you going to do? You're going to fight the insurance company, and then how are you going to do that? Right? So 75-25. That won't fly if there's a lawyer that's involved. And they may try and do that, but once you stand up to them and you actually have the ability to fight them, they generally will back down. But they're businesses. They want to save money. So if they can shave, let's say it costs $10,000 to handle that claim. If they can shave $2,500 off of that and do that spread out over 1 million claims, that's a ton of money.
That is a ton of money.
Ton of money, and that's what they do.
So what do you ask? What do you say when they write something like that to you? What do you then say?
Oh, I usually will write back and say, call me right away, and let's talk about it.
Call me.
Right? Call me right away, let's talk about it. I'll get on the phone with the insurance company, and I'll say, what the heck is this? And they're like, oh, they'll change their tune. You know, and we'll get it done.
How much does it cost to hire you?
Free.
Let's get that emphasis.
Free to hire me.
Let's
And
get
people
that
say, well,
emphasis out
why?
there.
That doesn't make
Why?
sense.
That
No
doesn't
one
make any
works for
sense.
free.
Because we work on a contingency fee basis.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, we do all the work. We front all the costs of litigation and putting your claim together. And the only way that we get paid is if we're able to recover money for your injuries, and then we get paid a third of that. So
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, good for the client.
It's great for them. And then there's research out there that shows that generally when you hire an attorney, you get 3 times more than what you would on your own. And we've had cases where we've gotten 70, 80 times more than what the insurance companies.
Even if you think it's a frivolous thing, call.
Yeah.
Find out, like, oh, I got hurt, but nobody's going to take me seriously, and there was a
People have been conditioned to think that asking for what's rightfully theirs is frivolous or greedy or whatever, and it's not. I think we all know where the real greed is.
Well, and I also think it's different, right? For folks who perhaps English is not their first language, or they're young, or they don't know how the system works. I mean, like those people often are getting you help a lot
taken
of those
advantage
people.
of.
Yeah,
right, because of the language barrier. Yeah, so from Portuguese speaking to Spanish speaking to Polish speaking. I mean, we're able to handle that, those types of cases and those types of clients, and communicate very effectively.
I know. My mother, unfortunately, she tripped and fell in a hole that was by the train station, and this was in New York.
Yeah.
But she was like, no, I don't want to bother anybody. I'm like, no.
Right.
You sustained injuries. You're gonna have to. It was their fault. The hole was there. The light wasn't on.
Yeah.
The whole 9 yards.
And if they're on notice of a defect that they've created,
and they didn't fix it.
Yeah, then she has a right to be made whole, really.
Right. Especially as if you have to pay your own medical bills and things like that. And there's just so many. It's so confusing. Yeah. Even if you're a well-studied person, it's confusing. So you actually used to work for the insurance companies, so you know their game. And like calling someone like you, what's the risk? You're not paying any, and you can tell them right then if you can help them.
Yeah, free consultations. If we can help you, great. If we're not in the best position to help you and somebody else is, we'll send you that way. But it doesn't hurt to call, and it's free.
Well.
Yeah.
How's your golf game?
It is
evolving.
It's continually evolving.
You're too busy in court.
I'm busy, but I'd like to carve out a little bit of time to play.
Yeah.
The weather's getting nicer.
Yes.
It is getting nicer.
So
I played yesterday.
How was your game?
You know, as I was telling you, my middle game is better than my drive game now. My drive game was good, and then if the middle game fell apart, now the drive is bad and the middle game is good.
Isn't that how it goes?
It's like you fix one thing, another problem arises.
That's right.
It's unbelievable.
Well, you guys kibitz about golf. I'm just going to let everyone know they can get in touch with Lawyer Twillie at lalawct.com or follow on Facebook at LALawCT. Again, it's free phone call, free consultation. Just make sure you're getting represented properly. Thanks so much.
And his first name is really Lawyer.
It really is.
It's really Lawyer. That's not. We're not making that up. All right. Thanks for being with us on Great Day. We appreciate you tuning in on this Friday, April 21st.
Yes. Have a great weekend, everyone. Great Earth Day, and enjoy the nice warm weather. Eyewitness News at 4 is starting right now.